Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today it's going to be a review on this unit right here. So if you want to see my thoughts and my opinions and how I feel about this unit, then keep on watching. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am smiling because I love this hair, guys. Like literally, I think this is one of the best wigs that I ever owned in my entire life. I got this unit at hairvivi.com and I spend my own coins, okay? So this is not a sponsored video. This is actually my thoughts, my opinion. They never sent me this hair. Like literally, I bought this. So I'm a real life customer, and I'm just going to tell you my experience buying this hair, how I feel about this unit. So I'm going to show you a clip of me doing an unboxing of the hair. So I'll be right back. So my unit came in this Hairvivi box. It is navy blue, and guys, this box felt like velvet. The feel of the box felt good. It's sturdy, so you could really store your hair in there. I love when companies really care about their presentation of their packaging, and Hairvivi is one of the companies that cares about their presentation, so I really appreciate that about that company. You open the box and you definitely see a wrapping with the Hairvivi logo, which is pretty. Your hair comes in a large Ziploc bag, so your hair is protected. So that's how it looks like that. It's like a Ziploc bag, as you can see. And Hairvivi provides a really pretty card with rose gold writing in it, which is really pretty much thanking you, and it tells you how to take care of your unit. So that's really pretty. And you get a rat tail comb, and it's good. It's the good one, guys. It's the good one. They wasn't cheap about that. So you get that as well. And you get a wig cap, which is in the bottom right there. And automatically I was checking to see if my knots was over bleached, but it was perfect, guys. They did a really good job in bleaching the knots. I was very impressed with that. I was just going through everything to see if I needed to do anything or customize it myself, but Hairvivi definitely did their thing in pre-plucking this unit. So I was very impressed. Wow. I did my research on the type of hair I wanted. I did my research on the company, and I watched a lot of videos and people's experience, like real customer experience on purchasing their unit at Hairvivi. I was going through YouTube was that they take forever to ship. So I was just like, you know what, I'll make that order, and when it comes, I'll give it a month. So I had that in my mindset. So I was really patient, and a lot of people was talking about their customer service and how they wasn't really feeling the customer service. I haven't contacted customer service because I had that mindset that it was coming in a month or two. So I told myself that, you know, I'm just gonna order it and forget about it. Once a month hit and I haven't received my unit, then that's when I was gonna reach out to customer service. So that was my mindset going into me buying this unit. Another thing that I noticed when I did my research, people mentioned that Hairvivi over bleached their knots. So like I said, I went into it saying, okay, you know what, at least they bleached the knots, you know what I mean? If I received my unit with an over bleached knots, then I'm prepared to fix it. If you guys are thinking about purchasing Hairvivi, if you want to buy a unit from that company, just make sure that you are prepared to wait, because they take forever for shipment. I mean, you could be the lucky one where you'll get your unit in about a week or 2 weeks. You just never know, but just be prepared to wait, just in case that you are one of the customers where you have to wait for a long time. When I purchased my unit, I ordered it on the 14th. They didn't process it until the next day, and I was prepared to wait. 2.5 weeks in to me waiting, I got an email saying that they shipped it out. And a week after that, they said that it was coming in on a Monday. So I ordered it on the 14th. I got it February 5th. So I waited about 3.5 weeks for my unit. Just about 3 weeks. So that's that. I waited a while for it. Once as you saw in my unboxing or whatever, in my little clip, you notice that they didn't over bleach my knots, which was like, thank you Jesus. So this is the parting of it. So let me just show you the front of it. I'm sorry about my edges. My edges are horrible, by the way. It laid because it has the elastic band, and honestly, the only thing that's keeping my hair flat right now is the elastic band. I did not use the clips. The only clip that I'm using is the clip that they have attached to the back. That's the only thing that I'm using because I'm trying to be cautious of my edges, y'all. Okay, this is my actual baby hair right now. Because I lost my razor, and I didn't want to give myself baby hairs with the scissors because I'm not that skilled. So so I was like, I'll do this another time. But literally, this is the hair right now. Like literally, like this is it. So this is the hair. This is it right here. Like I didn't put any glue or anything like that. Like it's laying flat right now. You have a little flap here, which is fine. Like, you know, you could either pin it or you could attach. You could attach the clip right here if you want. There's a clip right here. You could attach the clip if you want, but I choose not to. Most likely I might just color this black just to blend in with my hair. So this is how it's looking like right now. If anything, I could push it forward if I want, but I feel like I like how it is like on top of my head. I don't like it too pushed down. That's not my thing. Other than that, this hair is beautiful. I mean, like literally this is one of the best wigs that I ever had in my entire life. Styling wise, it was so easy for me to flat iron this hair. I didn't break a sweat, and the hair is very thick, very thick. Like it looks like it's my hair, y'all. It looks like it's my hair. Look at that. Look at that. It is gorgeous. It's definitely giving me Dominican blowout right now. Like Dominican blowout mommy. Like I went to the Dominicans and I got a washing set. So this definitely resembles African American hair, and I love it. I love that because it looks real. Let me just read to you the details of this hair just in case you guys want to buy it. This is the Kinky Diana long bob lace front wig virgin hair. It is Indian virgin hair. It is 16 inches. It has 150% hair density, and it has 4.5 inches of part line lace front. It is a glueless cap, as you can see, because I could still do all this. Cap size is medium, and then they said bleach knot is an extra $15, and additional elastic band, it comes for free, which I love that. I love that they do that, and I feel like all hair companies should provide elastic bands in their wigs. So I give that a plus for Hairvivi. They said that it's 16 inches. So let me just show you, sorry, let me just adjust myself a little bit. But let me just show you how long it is. So it's giving me realness, like, you know, just nice and realness. It has layers. So I literally didn't cut anything. It just came like that. So yeah, let me just back up a little bit so you guys can see how long it is. Will I order from them again? Absolutely. I feel like I'm going to do another order soon. Everything came out gorgeous. I love the hair. Okay. It's giving me hair realness. Okay. Hair realness. Anyways, that's it, guys. I am out of here. Before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys ever tried Hairvivi before. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.